Today we are celebrating a World Health Day because World Health Day is celebrated on April 7th. And every year we are celebrating World Health Day with a significant theme for that particular year. And this year the theme WHO has selected is Fairer, Healthier World. And this theme is also a very significant theme as far as 2021 is concerned in the light of COVID pandemic and the struggles and measures taken by the mankind to combat the disease and to live along with the disease and to defeat the disease by providing vaccination and by taking a lot of other measures. And this is a significant topic every nursing student should learn, and we should teach others also about a fair world and a healthier world, because the human existence will not be there if the world is not fair and healthy. So we also should struggle and fight for a healthy world. With that word, I wish all the success for the World Health Day theme of Amala College of Nursing.
दीवारें ऊंची है, गलियां है तंग, लंबी डगर है पर हिम्मत है संग, पाँव पे छाले हैं सांसें बुलंद, लड़ने चली हूँ आजादी की जंग, बेखौफ आजाद है जीना मुझे, बेखौफ आजाद है रहना मुझे, बेखौफ आजाद है जीना मुझे, बेखौफ आजाद है रहना मुझे। दीवारें ऊंची है, गलियां है तंग, लंबी डगर है पर हिम्मत है संग, पाँव पे छाले हैं सांसें बुलंद, लड़ने चली हूँ आजादी की जंग, बेखौफ आजाद है जीना मुझे, बेखौफ आजाद है रहना मुझे, बेखौफ आजाद है जीना मुझे, बेखौफ आजाद है रहना मुझे।
Today we are celebrating the World Health Day of the year 2021, and the theme for the day is Building a Fairer, Healthier World. As we are battling with the COVID-19 pandemic, it is being highlighted that some people are able to live healthier life and have better access to healthcare services. This is not fair. So World Health Organization is calling on leaders to ensure that everyone will have living and working conditions that are conducive to health. So as healthcare professionals, let us also join hands together to achieve this goal, because health is wealth. Thank you.
Hello friends, today we are going to discuss about World Health Day 2021. World Health Organization's constitution came into force on 7th April 1948. It is celebrated from 1950. The celebration has aimed to create awareness of a specific health theme to highlight a priority area of concern for the World Health Organization. The preamble of World Health Organization clearly suggests the enjoyment of highest attainable standard of health is one of the fundamental rights of every human being without distinction of race, religion, political belief, economic or social condition. Objectives of the celebration of World Health Day is to sensitize, to prioritize and to focus on important aspects of public health. Considering the pandemic in the previous year, which is continuing now, this year theme is World Health Day, Building a Fairer and Healthier World. This theme is very apt because this unequal world became more prominent and it became widened between rich and the poor. the treatment gap further widened. That means people who are having diseases are not being able to access healthcare. They have been deprived of treatment, health services, and access to healthcare is becoming distant to poor people, and the difference between have and have not is widening day by day. Hence, this theme is very apt.
So good morning dear students. Today as we are celebrating World Health Day, wish you all a very healthy year ahead. As nursing students, anticipating all of you to be ambassadors of good health and be a role model to all. Stay active, stay healthy, because ill health never attacks an active body. So try to stay active, be a role model to others, and while providing your services, consider even the underprivileged, because this year's themes highlights on equity in providing healthcare services. Thank you all.
COVID has proved we are not equal, we are unequal, we are divided, and we are fighting. That means we have to unite to fight against the biggest pandemic the world is facing. And now it's the time to focus on disadvantaged population who are at high risk of pandemic mortality, such as poor, disabled, senior citizen and high-risk population, gender minorities, rural population, tribal population, marginalized population, refugees, the frontline workers should be take care, and it should be quality healthcare.
लगा सनसेट है भाई तेरा फुल सेट है, मोशन भी देखो मेरा बनने लगा। देखो तो हसीना को वाना भी करीना को, ठुमको का फीवर है चढ़ने लगा। थोड़ा हार्ड सा होके, थोड़ा जेंटल सा होके, थोड़ा सेंटी सा होके, थोड़ा मेंटल सा होके, सारे 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 Let's not joke.
Let us pledge to build a fairer, healthier and beautiful world. This brings me to the end of the presentation conducted by first year BSc Nursing 2020 batch, Amala College of Nursing. Thank you everyone for your valuable time. Stay safe. Hope for a better tomorrow.